Now the first command is nothing but npx create. It's like, we have created the React app, right? Now what we are creating? Strapi, right? So npx create strapi, strapi, strapi app. No need to add the at the rate latest. Okay, it will take in latest by default. And your project name. So my project is name is nothing but I am giving uh, strapi underscore introduction. Okay. When I enter it, it will start creating the project. Okay. So first thing is what it says that create a strapi app. Okay. It said okay to proceed. So we need to do what? Why? Why is nothing but yes. Okay. So it will take time maximum 10 minutes. Okay. Minimum 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. So what it's saying that choose your installation type. Use arrow keys. What it says that choose your installation type. So you want to do a custom or quick start. I prefer key use a quick start. Just enter it. Okay. Now it is getting installed. अब meanwhile है ना, आप भी ये प्रोजेक्ट चालू करो, ठीक है? What I am doing now, similar way you do in your local machine right now.
Yes.
Okay, and there is one more software, Postman, to check the APIs. Okay, anyone has installed this software?
Me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of the things, let me download the Postman. How will download? I'll give that link to you. Okay, this is the one link I'll share in the group. Go there and download it now.
सर अगर स्ट्राइपी को VS कोड में इंस्टॉल करेंगे तो कोई फर्क पड़ेगा क्या?
No, I'm not aware of these things.
ओके सर, जस्ट आस्किंग सर.
Mhm. Is the installation running in your local machine, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But नहीं क्या मुझे वो क्विक स्टार्ट का वो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया. जो फर्स्ट में आया था ना,
So,
यस यस वाला,
हाँ,
तो वो
हाँ.
डायरेक्टली वो उसको वाई किया मैंने, डायरेक्टली इंस्टॉलेशन कर.
Okay, let it get installed. So, what the current status? Mavish, what is the current status then?
नो सर, नो सर, पहले वो आया था इंस्टॉलेशन डिपेंडेंसीज एंड देन अब क्विक स्टार्ट का क्वेश्चन आया, अब इसको किया मैंने।
Okay. Meanwhile, install the Postman. Yeah, get
सर,
your account. What, Mavish? What happened?
सर पहले ये स्ट्रापी का करती हूँ, फिर करती हूँ वो नेटवर्क स्लो वगैरह होता है और ये अटक जाती है,
Okay.
या फिर नो इशू कर सकती हूँ दोनों के टाइम।
No, we need the internet speed.
Yes.
चलो तब तक हम कुछ ना कुछ ढूंढेंगे. Okay, so how much time it will take? Full stack करो.
सर वो पहले साइन अप करना पड़ता है इसके लिए,
कहाँ पे?
ये पोस्टमैन के लिए.
Yes. Okay. 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 That's it. Right. Wait करो. My streaming also going now. That's why it's slow.
Okay, sorry, post में इंस्टॉल हो गया।
Mm-hmm. Okay, so dependency installed successfully. And finally, my Strapi installed. Okay, so what they're telling now? See here. Okay, it's starting the Strapi automatically. Okay, wait. Then what error? Okay, wait.
सर मेरा ना स्ट्रापी के उस पे रिडायरेक्ट हुआ है पेज पे।
Mm-hmm.
सर मेरा भी एरर दिखा रहा है।
Okay. Okay, so it's creating an admin. That means it will create an admin panel to manage the content. Okay, once this is created, now it will be direct to their home page. Okay, let's see. Okay, so finally the project is started. Okay, see here, it's redirected to me. Okay, once I redirected on that page after this installation and the project is started. Okay, by default it will start with the http colon forward slash then localhost 1337. Okay, slash admin. If you hit this URL, you will have this UI as a first time to register it. Okay, next time it will have this sign it. So here I'm going to be registered. Okay, give your name, last name, and email ID. Okay, then your password, and that is needed. Huh? Okay, keep with you this password. So I am adding my password. Confirm your password. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so finally I installed it. Okay, so what was the issues in this? Yes, Aniket, share your screen. What was the issue? What about the rest, guys? What about the others? Are they installing or not?
सर वो वार्निंग दिखा रहा है, दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज अनमेंटेन्ड।
What is saying to you? 1 minute. Hmm? 1 minute. Can't report undefined properties and data structure. Omit wasted. Use omit optional to include. Okay, Strapi introduction. Create Strapi app. Okay. टॉप इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद कुछ नहीं ना, सही है. Get started. Okay. चेक करो योर Node.js वर्जन. नोड वर्जन चेक करो. Yes, no, not directly. Node dash space dash v. Okay, 20 है, fine. Then after what is saying that pm installed if you put node package and above. Okay, fine. We get installed like git and GitHub account to deploy projects public cloud. Okay. Run the installation script. Quick start. Okay, fine. Quick start. CLI integration. Configuration. You just turn on topic related. You can link topic discover the product design. What that error is?
And installing dependencies.
Config production use omit instead, right? Okay. Where you are installing on desktop or where? How about where you have opened? Direct, don't do direct. Go to the desktop. Try to install from there. Don't open direct CMD, na? Follow the my path, whatever I am doing. Desktop means direct desktop, na? Right click and open terminal. Right click.
सब मैंने डेस्कटॉप से ही किया था लेकिन मेरा सेम एरर आ रहा है.
Show me.
मेरा हो गया सर.
सर मेरा भी
Share your screen, Pachi. You have run this desktop. Okay. Copy this error, go to the chat GPT and ask that why it is showing.
Which one, sir?
Whole thing from error to this end of this 18.3. Above. Scroll down. The error message encoding to be network type error. Your internet install looks like a break. Network issue. The line starting with the error connect and npm error network about it. Indicate there was a problem with network connectivity during the installation process. This could be the various reasons such as being in the proxy and bad network settings in temporarily. Okay. Temporal type error cannot be properly undefined. What is suggested in copy or define. Okay, scroll down. Okay. Clear npm cache. Update your Node.js. Okay. Retry installation. Not working. Not stable. Okay. Clear npm cache. Force. Okay. npm cache clean dash dash force. Then check your npm logs. Okay. Do one thing. npm cache clean dash dash force. That command you copy from here.
Micho, build this up.
In the clear npm cache we have now. npm cache clear here
Yes.
only.
Yes.
Copy that command. Go to the terminal. Paste it. Enter.
Warning.
Yeah, let it. Become layer protection disable. Okay. And try to install now.
Again create करने का है.
Yes. Aniket, you do the same. Yeah, Prakash, tell me.
He also is having the same problem.
Okay. What is happening here? You can only create a stoppy in an empty directory. Why it is saying that now? Because already we have created that stoppy, right? Do one
Yes.
thing. Close this terminal. Okay, go to the desktop. Right click here. Create a new folder. क्रिएट अ न्यू फोल्डर या फिर कोई बात नहीं चलो दूसरा नाम दे दो प्रोजेक्ट का ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम दूसरा देना
Yes.
if anyone facing the same issue okay try to do the same what we are doing here npm1 config default value does install optional depth unless otherwise omitted copy that config npm1 copy that whole line search in the google scroll down
सर ये पोस्टमैन में नेम और व्हाट इज योर रोल पूछ रहा है तो रोल की जगह पे क्या डालना है
1 minute if you रोल डालो फुल स्टैक नेम आपका डालो ठीक है if you want to be used then on installing dependencies optional npm installed okay npm installed. Okay, do one thing copy this command now copy wait
सर
Hmm?
वो डेस्कटॉपचा फोल्डर बनवणे काय
Don't create the folder. Directly open the terminal from the desktop.
हाँ.
Okay, and after that, try to run this command. npx create react. Sorry, npx create Scrappy app, and then your project name. And project name must be in a smaller case. Okay.
सर वो CMD कमांड का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा मेरे से.
If you don't have, then go to the project directory, any project directory. किसी भी फाइल में जाओ, वहां से cmd ओपन करके वहां से कमांड हिट करो.
ठीक.
Okay, so error was warning production use instead in office and essentially the with the command npx that copy. Okay, team one minus omnitive. Okay, so guys, I'm giving one command. Okay, Aniket, are you able to install or not yet? What was the problem? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Anyone any problem regarding this again?
Yeah, I have that problem.
Yes,
I
sir.
can't,
I
I
did.
can't
Okay.
open the terminal and it's stuck.
What guys? You're not able to open the terminal. Okay, Prakash, share your screen. Go to the desktop and show me.
Are you visible?
No, it's white screen. Stop presenting and share your entire screen.
Now?
Now it's visible. Just go to the desktop, na? No. If you're going to the desktop, it is not showing actually.
Wait.
Stop presenting, Prakash,
Okay.
and share it.
Hello? Hello?
Huh?
Wait. Press it now?
Yeah, sure. Now what happened?
Microsoft Edge tab, Windows, second days I need to click off.
Yeah, entire screen.
Entire screen, okay. Now visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay.
Close these both terminals.
Okay.
Close it. Minimize the screen. minimize that minus. Hmm. Right click. You don't have option here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go to the file manager. Hmm. Click on this.
This one.
Open.
File Explorer.
Hmm. Go to the desktop. Right click from here.
Yeah. CMD.
Open CMD. Where we are opening? Not here. Scroll down. Oh, sorry. Close it. It's opening in the OneDrive. Why?
Yeah.
Ah,
See, I lost my data now, so that IT people are using this OneDrive, whatever you want, that the particular things.
okay. Okay. Open the CMD.
Sorry.
Hmm. Run that command here. Do you have installed Node.js?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Okay. So Prachi, are you done with that? Or any issue?
This kind of issue came again. See.
Create Strapi app, Strapi say user completed log is found. No such a directory
So
latest say
process
user
closed.
data login roaming npm. Close this terminal, this one, Prakash.
Common.com. Okay.
Close. This is not working. Go to the C drive.
Okay.
Create your new folder here with your name. And go inside that.
This one.
Create from here. Hmm.
See.
Full name. No such a file directory latest say on app data roaming npm. This is related to npm not being able to find a file. There is a no npm installed.
Okay,
Check
guys.
npm-v.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. Yesterday only I installed everything. I lost my everything.
So this can be found. Mm-hmm. Let us start. Copy that error and see in the Google chat GPT. Because even I don't know what this error is with
In
your machine.
ChatGPT, my system can't do, but I doing
Yeah,
for the
you are in not office, right?
yeah.
You can access the chat GPT.
Okay. See, I already gave that issue in Copilot.
Mm-hmm.
This
What's saying
package
that?
create a package or JSON. If you
Okay.
if your project does not have a package or JSON file create after you installation, that only do
Clear
npm
this
init.
npm cleaning for
Okay. Okay.
copy that command. Again NPM, who will be do Prakash that way?
Sorry.
NPM, don't do the NPM, now remove that NPM. Hmm. Now try to run this command. One minute. Go back to your this one terminal. Create npx create Strapi app. Strapi introduction. Okay. A complete log this for found in app data. No Prakash, I don't have a solution for this right now. We'll see that later, not an issue.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, you can close the screen sharing. You can stop this. Yeah. Anyone any issue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me Ashwin, what is the issue?
So the error list is very long. I don't know how to resolve that.
Can you speak loudly? Always, you're not audible.
Sir, actually, error is there, but I'm not able to resolve it. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Is it visible? Yeah. So this is the error.
Okay, I think you are having the same error like Prakash. Okay, what it says that? Okay, same thing, right? Okay, I'm giving you one command.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm giving you one command
Mhm.
in the chat box. Copy that.
Mhm.
Paste it. I have given you the command. Why are not taking from the chat box?
Mhm.
Hmm.
It's same thing happened again. Just whatever you give, I copy and mirror.
No, that was not for you. I have given to him.
Okay.
Unnecessary that omit div. What is that error? Unknown option, right?
Sir.
One minute. Rest up it means transfers with unable to resolve NPM specification on document. In NPM method should complete without errors if applicable. Putting on something else or activities is not exploited. So style components now I can stop the plugin put for control which I will style components. It's all package.js and user permissions.
It is showing here that Visual Studio Code node npm is not installed properly. Like
What?
in the error, sir, it is showing that these things package node is not
Unsupported
installed.
engine. Okay, so what node installed in your system? What kind of version? Can you check that?
Latest only, sir. 19.8. Yeah, 19.8.1, sir. And
Yeah, then it should be
npm is also installed. Yes,
complete
sir.
of this font. Okay, required node 18 version. Okay, npm version actual. Okay, so 9.5.1. Okay, fine. Node v and now it is complete log system upload from upload on log. Using box create application CMS. It's not permitted. Wait, we'll see something for this.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I stop sharing?
No, wait. Isn't to know of fight. Okay. Now do one thing. I'm giving one command.
Okay, sir.
Try to hit that.
Sir, do I need to first delete all the installed files, like those things?
No need. Do directly do now. Let's see what will happen. Even I'm not familiar with this. NPX. Do NPX.
Okay, sir. Oh, sorry.
Not there earlier, huh? NPX. Create React app. After React app. Wait. We need to specify the directory. Now that's why wait. I said okay.
Yeah.
After the app name, you hmm. Prachi, what happened with you, Prachi? Is it working?
Yes sir, हो गया.
Hmm. Prakash, you also start the same command. What he hit? NPX create Strapi app, then your project name.
Minus user.
Ritika, what is your issue? Is that done?
Yes.
तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं ना किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम दीपक
Sir, error आ रहा है मेरे को. Why you showing this list?
then when will you take your error share your screen गजानन तो पूरा साइलेंट ही है what happened गजानन
Mobile phone.
huh
Yes, sir. It came to the
why you join with mobile
uncle.
always you are going to relatives at this moment
Sir, error आ रहा है.
use normative okay same command you hit what this Anand hit
But now it's working fine.
okay
Sir, कौन सी command डालनी है?
कहाँ पे send की थी command copy from there and do some changes in this last one
Sir, this sir. Create star.
yes npx create react app so not react app Strapi app npx do first npx and after your that app now write your project name
Here, sir. Sir, ये
After app, where is app?
Here.
Project name you give. Give a space. Okay, fine.
Space.
Enter it. Aniruddha, do the same thing if you are having the same issue.
Hello.
Yeah.
Malinam, I by mistake and I choose for your installation type custom manual settings. Can I replace?
Then close that path. Okay. And do the another one directory, or you can be the same directory but give the project name different. Okay.
Okay. Again, I need to create new one.
Yes. Yes. Control C. It will be get closed. It will
Okay.
stop the execution. Maybe are you done?
Yes, sir. Both Postman and Strapi both are done.
Ashwin, is that done yet?
No, sir.
Is there an issue?
We are throwing same error.
Share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Okay. Unsupported engine packet. That is wait. Are you using that byte?
Yeah, I am using white, sir.
Okay. Wait, not just a second. Please upgrade. Mm. Okay, you do one thing. Okay, do the Google and try to resolve this error from your end. Okay, even this error
Okay.
for new. Okay,
Okay,
for
okay.
me it's new actually. Yeah, I couldn't find this kind of errors, and if I do resolve now, even I'm new for that. So better you try to resolve it.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
हम्म. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या मैं मूव करूं?
Yes, sir. I'll try to resolve this on my own,
Hmm.
and I'll try to install it on the company's laptop also. So I think
Yes.
it will work there. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
No problem.
Akshay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. तो सब लोगों का हो गया. चलो. Okay, Divya. Divya, what is the issue? Is that done or not? Hello, Divya. Okay, leave it. Okay. So here is the stoppy. I hope what you are right. Hmm. Okay. So this is the stoppy. Here if you see, okay, यहाँ पे मैं भी न्यू हूँ, इतना भी मुझे इसके बारे में पता, 3 साल पहले मैंने इसको यूज किया था, अब जाके यूज कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। तो हो सकता है बहुत सारी चेंजेस आ गए होंगे, क्योंकि मैं जब यूज करता तब 3 पे काम कर रहा था, ठीक है। अब ये कौन सा वर्जन चल रहा है इस टॉपिक का,
Hello, sir.
कौन सा वर्जन चल रहा है इस टॉपिक का? The version of Shopee, if I go here, it started. Shopee 4 चल रहा है ना, 4 चल रहा है, ठीक है। मैं जब करता था काम तब 3 चल रहा था, ठीक है। चलो कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी बहुत चेंजिंग हो ये होंगे। तो देखो यार, यहाँ पे कंटेंट मैनेजर रहता है, यहाँ पे देखो बाय डिफॉल्ट यूजर्स है, ठीक है। अब हमें कुछ एपीआई क्रिएट करनी है, जैसे कि हमें टू डू लिस्ट बनानी है, ठीक है। तो क्या करना पड़ता है हमें, यहाँ पे जाओ कंटेंट टाइप बिल्डर पे, ओके, यहाँ पे देखो क्रिएट फर्स्ट कलेक्शन टाइप, collection types helps you manage several, okay, several interest single type of set to be on manage on that platform. Okay, I don't want this tour and all, I'll just build. Okay, sure, what they are telling, create a new collection type. That means we need one endpoint, right? Or what, to create an API we will create what kind of APIs, to do's list. Okay, so I can say to do's, to do, API name is to do, and API ID is to do as well. Okay, advanced settings, here draft and publish. Okay, when we created it, जब हम इसको create करेंगे ना, at the moment it will save it and publish it as well. Okay, so this is how. Okay, do continue. When we continue it now, it's asking what kind of field you want. Okay, I want a text field. What will be that name of that key? So this is nothing but your key name. I want name of that to do. Okay, how it will be, the short text or long text? If you have the long text, that means this is on a text area. If you have short text, this is gonna like 50 to 100 characters like this. Okay, I'm not sure how many characters, but long text there is no limit, but short text we have the limit. Okay, if you go for advanced settings, okay, this is basic settings. Is this required field or default value? Anything that you want? I don't want any default value. Required field. Okay, required field. Do record, huh? I'm not recording this. My data is executed already. Okay. Do record. Okay. Okay.
So,
So
what's
now
the command of do recording that you
window
found?
plus Z.
Okay.
You know my all 2.5 GB for this session सब चला गया, ठीक है। तो ऐसा करूंगा तो भाई मैं रास्ते पे आऊंगा। चलो, डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू यहाँ पे कोई नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है। रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड, इज दिस रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड? यस, दिस इज अ रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड। इज दिस यूनिक फील्ड? क्या हमें यूनिक चाहिए? यस, वी नीड यूनिक एज वेल। मैक्सिमम लेंथ कितनी होनी चाहिए? नेम लेंथ, आपका जो टाइटल रहेगा उसकी लेंथ कितनी होनी चाहिए? आई विल गिव हियर 50 characters. Okay, not more than this. Oh, sorry, 50 characters. And minimum I want 5 characters. Is this private field? This field will be not shown up on the API response. No, it should show this in the response. Okay, so finish it. When we finish it, do we need more things? Yeah, then add another one. That is nothing but description we need, right? Description we need. Okay, and is this required field? Yes, required field. Unique field? No, don't do unique field because description may repeat, right? Maximum length, there is a no maximum length, minimum length. Huh? You can give whatever you want. And 1 minute. Basic settings. I don't want this. What is that? Short text. I want which text? Long text. Okay. Long text I need. Don't take this short text. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Text. Boolean. Long text. Text area. Rich text. Markdown. No. Fine. Text. Long text. Name is nothing but description. Okay. Advanced. Required field. Yes. Required field we need. Maximum length. Don't want. Finish it. What we need more? We can upload image as well, right? We can upload the image as well. Or the date we need, right? Date we will take. Date. We can say created date. Created date. Created date. It's saying that. Okay, nothing. This is choose format. Which format we want? Time and date or just date you want? Okay. I will take just time and date. Okay, date time I will take. In the advanced setting, is this required field? Yes, required field. Current date, what we need? Default value, don't do any default value. Unique field, no. Private field, no. Do finish. Created date. Add another field. We need what? Who is updating this? That person email, right? Email I need. So I can take this email. Advanced setting. Required field. Don't do unique. Okay, default value, don't take it. Do it, finish. Add another field. I need what? Media. So media is nothing but I can say thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay, this is the key name of your object keys name. These are. Okay. Multiple or single media. We want the single, right? Take a single. Advanced setting. Required field. What we can update? Videos, audios, files. Which we will need to update. Only image, right? Just allow for images only. Okay. Required field. Finish it. So all things are done now. हो गया. अब पोस्टमैन किसके लिए काम आता है बताता हूँ. ठीक है, चलो अब पोस्टमैन में जाओ. ठीक है, पोस्टमैन में जाओ. And don't close this terminal, because the stop is running based on this. Okay. So if you go to the postman, you will have the blank space earlier. Okay. What you need to do? You need to do a workspace first. For that, create on collection, not collection. Sorry. Share what options? I don't know what you are getting, but here you will have that workspace above. Okay. Create a new workspace. Okay. That workspace name I will give API development. Okay. In that, do the next. And when you give that, you just do the Stoppy development. Stoppy development. Okay, Stoppy development. Okay. And who will use? Only you. Okay. Personal. And create it. When you create it, you will have this, right? You will have this. Now here, what you can create? This is user collection, get authenticated user and all. Don't do these things now. I'll delete this. I'll delete this. Delete it. This also, you delete it. Not needed at all. Now you can do create collections on that Stoppy development. Now in the collection, what you will do? You will create one collection for what? This is the we can say our project name. This is nothing but your project name. My first 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 project. Okay. And in this, click on this, create a folder. Folder name you give what? This is nothing but to do. राइट, टू डू है ना यहाँ पे, देखो ना, टू डू, राइट. Now in this, add a request. Now if you notice, what is the port number? This one, right? Copy this, go to the, okay, this is your port number. Now what this request is, first of the things, we'll create what? Give name here, list, to do list will, okay, we'll fetch the list, whatever it is there. Now, if you go to the, oh sorry, you need to save it, save it. It will take time. पानी दे रहा मानो. It will take time, wait. Okay, done. Chalo. Now how can we see this? Now this was done from here, we need to go content manager. Now if you notice, we have the to do.
Yes.
Okay, so here we will have the options from here as well, to create the data. So first I will create name. Name is nothing but first to do. I'm creating one record, okay? Description, testing. Okay, created date. I will take today's date and time I will take. Okay, email I will paste it. And thumbnail I will upload it something, okay? Add new assets, browser files. I will update something. Go to the C drive, go in the folder. We have this, right? Code app, not code app. We were having on the desktop, right? My project, my React basics, public offers. We'll take this one, upload it. Okay, so I'll upload. This is uploaded, and now from here I need to be finish it. 1 minute. Hello. काय नाही, क्लास चालू आहे. काय माहित नाही. हा हा हा. हम्म, हम्म, हम्म. नाही पण सांगू लागेल ना सोबत. बर बर. हम्म, हम्म. पण हॅलो 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 हॅलो, आज आज हॉलिडे. हा. हम्म. हा. आ हा 100% चालू नसतं आज. हा, तरी पण मी चौधरीला विचारतो कोण कुठे आहे. आहे माझ्याकडे, लावतो मी क्लास झाल्यावर. हा, मी लावतो ना क्लास झाल्यावर. हा, विचारतो मी 100%. हा. Okay. So just we have uploaded assets. We have not browsed it. Okay. So we need to browse it. So finish it. Now we have uploaded it. Okay. This is still not saved. Okay. Now we need to click on save. After save, we need to do what? Publish. Okay. Publish. If you do now, see here, what record is there, right? This record, how we will fetch now? Directly, how we will get to know the API, right? For this, go to the settings. Go to the settings. Okay, in the settings, if you notice, okay, here we need to go where? Roles. In the public. If you go in the public, here you will have the to do, right? This is the collection. Just drop down it. What you do now here in the public, you will just allow to find it, right? And create it. Both things. Okay. For create, we have the to do's. For this, we have the API to do's, right? Get. This is the get request. Now copy this request from here and add it after this. Remove this double forward. Okay. Now you will do just send. What will happen here? What says that forbidden error, right? That means data is null. Why the null? Because of what? We still not given the permission, right? We have to save it, right? Let's save it. When I save it and now try to hit this, you got the record? You got?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Sure. What was that? Created date, email, name, description. Where is our image? Image should be there, right? Okay. So media library. First, size optimization, auto orientation, content management. Oh, why this thumbnail is not showing? They publish here. Settings, media library. Responsive media uploaded. Okay, true. Size optimization, true. Auto orientation, false. Hmm. Why this is not showing? चलो फिर एक काम करते हैं इसको चार जीपीटी में जाके पूछते हैं ना अच्छा हमने में ही आ रहा है अपडेटेड क्रिएटेड अपडेटेड पब्लिश दैट two things are coming created date created at okay by the way now we don't need to create this created data we'll do one thing we'll go to the content manager delete this record okay go to the media library this one content type builder here we don't want this created date remove this thumbnail we need thumbnail media extension single advanced setting you go required field or another field fine this is fine best author preferred picture on forward okay this is fine save it okay okay I'll use this topic Mhm. Image. Okay, populate the image. We need to do that. Populate the image. That means we need to be do what? Question mark. Then our request. Okay, fine. Let's try with that. There is our starting. It is set. Go here. Create new entry. First to do description testing. Testing. And choose the file. I have selected this. Finish it. Finish it. Whatever. Save and publish. Try to place this record. Okay, email, name, and description coming, and created, updated, and published also coming. We need what? This thumbnail, no? What is that? Thumbnail is equal to what they have given the solution. Populate, sorry, populate, populate. Okay, so we got right. See here, when we do the populate, we got the thumbnail, right? This URL, isn't it? This URL. Okay, but this URL, if we see directly, how we will get that? Okay, or how will we get that? We'll get it like this. We'll get like this. Yes, done. मिल गई image. Okay.
Yes.
देखो यार प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी आते हैं आपके सामने तो सॉल्व करता हूँ. Of this data, it's finally we are fetching from the where from the API. Now, how to post the data from the API? Okay. चलो, we'll create new API और duplicate. Now, जब हमें डेटा सेंड करना है तो कैसे सेंड करते हैं? रिक्वेस्ट व्हाट वुड बी इन द पोस्ट. देखो ना यहाँ पे जाओ सेटिंग्स में where we are working on roles in the public and to do, right? I have given the permission to create. When we click on the setting icon, you will have the endpoint. Which endpoint is this? Post request, right? Post request. So go to copy this URL, go to this, and here, if you notice, we have the to do's, right? But the type is what? Different. As a post, right? Save it, and here you give as a create name. Okay, so you will have an idea of what you are doing. Okay, in the list, you will have the list. You save it this and so, and create it. In the create things now, what kind of data we will pass? We will pass the file as well, right? We are passing the file, right? So for that file, what we'll do now? We need to go in a body. When we go for body, देखो जब आपके पास कोई इमेज है ना तो हमेशा आपको डेटा एज अ फॉर्म डेटा में पास करना पड़ता है. किस फॉर्मेट में? एज अ फॉर्म डेटा. यहाँ पे आपकी कीज रहेगी. what those keys we have what those keys. First save it and go back to the content manager and create a new entry. We have the name, right? This name you add it here, and text. What this field is a text, right? I can give postman data Okay, data. Second key, what we need? Description, isn't it? Chalo, description. In the description, again I'm going to add testing postman. And the third key, what we need? Email. Okay, email. And email I will paste. Okay, and then what we need? Thumbnail, right? If I do directly pass now, see what will happen. What says that? Internal server error, right? But you see now, when I pass this thumbnail, and this format is nothing but your file, right? Then select your file. I will pass the file. Go to the desktop. Like this is public, promoted. I'm taking this image, upload it. Okay, and try to save it. Again, internal server error. Then what is this error? Let's see what this error is. Can't read undefined property reading a data. Can't read property undefined reading a data. What this means? अरे ये थोड़ी हो सकता है इस तरह से तो चलो मेरी डेटा है ना पास करता हूँ और जेसन जेसन I'll pass name only about test हाँ तो ये जेसन में डेटा मांग रहा है ना चलो फिर how we will pass this in JSON that is the main thing for us now okay how to pass data चलो सर्च करो फटाफट how to pass data to the Strapi in a form data. From Postman. ये भी तो कह रहे हैं ना from Postman. Postman. Select HTTP method, choose the HTTP method of post or put from drop down. Enter the request URL and point. Select the body type. Use the input field, which is form data. The body type, the form data. And the key value pairs. Attach the files. Send a request. Review or response. Okay. वैसे ही तो कर रहे थे चलो फॉर्म डेटा में जाओ पोस्टमैन डेटा टेक्स्ट 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 किया फाइल किया स्टिल दैट इंटरनल एरर चलो उसको पेस्ट करो इट सेज check server logs verify request data permission and authorization restart the server update this traffic contact support that traffic देखो यार कई कई बार ChatGPT काम नहीं करता stop p pass the form data postman there is no solution for this then how can we update the files चलो फिर एक काम करते हैं अभी के लिए तो मैं इमेज का देखता हूँ बाद में शायद पोस्टमैन से नहीं हो रहा है रिएक्ट से हो जाएगा तो विल डू वन थिंग Go to the content type builder. Let this thumbnail as well. Save it. कल देखेंगे हम रिएक्ट के साथ फाइल अपलोड करना। ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही। देखते हैं कि ये केस डेटाबेस है। ठीक है, और कंटेंट मैनेजर डिलीट इट, कंफर्म इट। ओके, चलो यहाँ पे जाओ। अब ये फॉर्म डेटा में मत सेंड करना। ठीक है, कहाँ पे जाना है? बॉडी पे क्लिक करना है। जैसे बॉडी पे क्लिक करते हो रॉ पे क्लिक करना है। जैसे रॉ पे आते हो यहाँ पे क्या सेलेक्ट करना है? जेसन। ठीक है, जेसन। यहाँ से what we need now, if you hit this request, what says that missing a data payload? What? Missing a data payload. That means we need to pass a data. What? Data. Then this key. Okay, let's see. Now in that what it says that? What is it says that? We need what? Path. We need a description, right? Here is saying that na description must be defined. That means description need. Okay, चलो description add करते हैं। Testing postman. If I hit this now the last error email must be defined, right? That means email is required, right? चलो email. I'll paste a wrong email. Let's see. What's in that? Email must be a valid email. Isn't it that error? चलो email पास करो। अब देखना डन, मिल गई। अब देखना जाके यहाँ पे टूडेज में जाओ। हेलो टेस्टिंग पोस्टमैन, आ गई एंट्री। चलो अब मैं फिर से हिट करता हूँ। क्या बोल देगा? दिस एट्रीब्यूट मस्ट बी यूनिक। कौन सा एट्रीब्यूट? नेम वाला जो पास करे वो वाला यूनिक होना चाहिए। चलो मैं दूसरा टाइप कर दो, 2 ऑप्शन हो जाना चाहिए। हो गया, आईडी आ गई। यहाँ पे जाओ और यहाँ जाके फिर से क्लिक करो। आ गई हेलो टेस्ट 2। अब इनको गेट करना है एपीआई से। तो लिस्ट वाली एपीआई ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड है। थंबनेल है क्या हमारे पास? नहीं है, तो निकाल दो ये वाली चीज। टू डू सेंड करो सिर्फ। आगे 2 रिकॉर्ड्स देखना, आगे कि नहीं 2 रिकॉर्ड्स। अब भेज भी सकते, गेट भी कर सकते। तो ये डेटा हम रिएक्ट में यूज नहीं कर सकते क्या? अब आया समझ? तो टॉपिक कितना काम का है। अब डिलीट करनी है कोई चीज, तो डिलीट करने के लिए एक एपीआई है। यहाँ पे देखो, अब कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत इजी है। और ये चीज हम मैनुअली करें ना नोट.जेएस में, बहुत टाइम लेती है। देखना अब यहाँ पे मैं दूंगा डिलीट वाली रिक्वेस्ट। ठीक है, परमिशन और आईडी पास करनी है। सेव करो, हो गया। चलो अब डिलीट की एपीआई कॉपी करो। ठीक है, यहाँ जाके इसको डुप्लीकेट करो। ठीक है, इसका नेम चेंज करो जल्दी से, डिलीट। ओके, और यहाँ पे जाके क्या देनी है मुझे? क्या देनी है मुझे? यहाँ जाके रिक्वेस्ट क्या करनी है? अब देखना डिलीट है। ठीक है, तो डिलीट, सेव इट, गो बैक टू द लिस्ट। यू हैव दी 2 IDs, राइट? 2 and 3. सो आई विल डिलीट द 3. सो डिलीट हियर। इसके बाद मुझे क्या देना है? 3। ठीक है, ये कोलन जो होता है ना, दिस कोलन, दिस इज नथिंग बट योर नंबर। नंबर ऑफ आईडी दैट व्हाट इज। सो आई विल डिलीट इट। हो गई डिलीट। देखना लिस्ट पे जाता हूं, सेंड करता हूं, आ गया एक ही रिकॉर्ड। डन डिलीट वाली रिक्वेस्ट। चलो फटाक से अपडेट वाली बढ़ा देता हूं। ये पॉसिबल नहीं है नोट.जेएस में इतनी फास्ट। ठीक है, इसीलिए हम इसे यूज करते हैं। कभी कभी छोटा प्रोजेक्ट है तो अपडेट। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे अपडेट के लिए भी क्या चाहिए देखना। इफ आई डू अपडेट हियर, सेम थिंग, जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट चेंज, राइट? सेव इट, पुट रिक्वेस्ट। यहाँ पे आईडी, कौन सी आईडी है अब हमारे पास? सिर्फ 2 नंबर वाली। क्या हमें करना है उसके अंदर? क्या करना है हमें? बॉडी में जाके फॉर्म डेटा, नॉट फॉर्म डेटा, रॉ जेएसएन में जेएसएन अब मुझे क्या करना है उसमें से अपडेट, सिर्फ क्या करना है, मुझे सिर्फ यहाँ जाओ कंटेंट मैनेजर में, मुझे सिर्फ ये नेम चेंज करना है, ठीक है, ये नेम चेंज करना है। सो डेटा डेटा देन नेम, देन नेम विल बी द माय नेम, जस्ट मैं ये नेम चेंज करूंगा, ठीक है। चलिए अपडेट, चलो देखो अब यहाँ पे रिफ्रेश करके आ गया, आ गया कि नहीं। बट इफ आई पास दी 3, what will happen? Not found error because this ID is not exist. But if you do 2, it will be updated, right? How much easy? अब यही चीज नोट जस्ट में करते बैठोगे तो इसके लिए घंटा लग जाएगा, ठीक है। तो चारों एपीआई फटाफट क्रिएटेड, राइट, हो गया काम। आया समझ टॉपिक की भी यूज करते हैं। अब नोट जेस में भी फाइनली ये भी आउटपुट मिलता है हमें इस तरह से। चलो फिर we will wrap this session here. Anything in this that you don't understand? ओके अब रही बात एक चीज की, ये तो प्रोजेक्ट चालू हो गया, ठीक है। अब बोलोगे कि भाई ये क्लोज कर दिया, अब प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे रन करेंगे, है ना, कैसे रन करोगे अब। Sorry by mistake got plus. Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. Now we will say कि now you have set down the system or you have closed that project. So how will we run again, right? So go to your project. Okay, you are in your project. Do one thing. Open your terminal from that path. Okay. Once you open, here you will run one command. That is nothing but npm run develop. What? Develop with it. Okay. This is the command I'm sharing in the group. Okay, so it will take time to start the project. Now it will not install any dependencies, okay? It will just start. कोई तो प्रॉब्लम आ गई, ऑलरेडी यूज बाय द अनदर एप्लीकेशन। कहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं हम, वी आर नॉट यूजिंग ना, हाउ टू से दैट। Do one thing, then clear your data. We were using here, right? What is that? Localhost. क्या रहता है by default 1337, right? /admin something. Let's try to open it. ये ऑलरेडी रनिंग है ना भाई, सच तो कह रहा है, इसे क्लोज भी तो करना था, हमने क्लोज नहीं किया, ठीक है। तो चलो इसको स्टॉप करते हैं पहले तो हाउ टू स्टॉप दैट, सर्च यहाँ पे करो। how to stop topic, topic, stop, not able to stop. Back end में रन हो रहा है. Stop it or stop, okay. How can I turn off the production general programming? How to avoid a server program? Please start the icon. Set up process manager, deploy stop is server next time. How to stop? How to restart stop is server? Once it is being stopped, okay. See, sudo npm I npm run the stop it develop stop is stop. Okay, it's saying that task is filled. चलो ओपन करते हैं वहां से. Desktop. Oh, copy. CMD. Task skill something, no? PM2 I don't have. Control C. Already there. Command and enter desktop a plugin log. Well, okay, कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपका नहीं चल रहा है, ठीक है. If you get the same error what I got ना previous one, okay, तो वो कमांड चला चला देना चल जाएगा, ठीक है. अभी आपके यहाँ पे ये चल जाएगा, ये वाला पैनल, ये जो है ये चल जाएगा. लॉग इन करना है इससे, ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद ये यहाँ पे आएगा. अब I'll do one thing. Is there any way from here? Oh, file. No. Log out. How to close it? Mm, Windows. Then open this. Let's see. And here also. Mhm. Set Control S. चलो टर्न हो गया. अब देखता हूँ एक बार. हो गया था, ठीक है. Is that 1330? फिर भी चल रहा है. काम में टास्क मैनेजर ओपन कर. पिन टास्क. ओके, चलो इन कर दिया. अब देखता हूँ. मैं भी वहां पे चल रहा था, ठीक है. कॉपी लोकल होस्ट फाइल नॉट फाइल. ओके चलो. ओके 47 आगे. चल रहा है, जाने दो, छोड़ो। अगर नहीं चल रहा है तो बता दिया मैंने, कमांड चल रहा है तो चलने दो, कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है, यहाँ से जो आपने साइन अप करते वक्त पासवर्ड ये सब दिया है ना, यहाँ से ट्राई करना। ठीक है, लॉग इन, फिर कंटेंट, वो सब चीजें आपने कर रखी होगी। पोस्टमैन में जाके यूपीआई किस तरह सेट करना है, सेटिंग में जाके यहाँ पे यूजर्स एंड परमिशन में जाके, रोल्स में जाके, पब्लिक में जाके, यहाँ पे टू डू जो बनाया है इसको परमिशन दे दो। मैं देखे तो ऑल के ऑल दे दो एक ही टाइम पे और सेव करो। ठीक है, उसके बाद पोस्टमैन में जाके ये पे हिट करो। ठीक है,
Yes.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? इट्स लॉन्ग लेक्चर आई नो, बट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। हाँ दिव्या,
Sir, it's still giving me error.
what error you are getting? Share your screen.
10 p.m. Yes.
Okay, guys, and tomorrow there is no lecture. Huh? I am traveling out.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
और ये सब प्रैक्टिस करना अभी के अभी, आज कल हमने रिएक्ट के साथ करना इसका काम। ठीक है,
सर आज का तो रिकॉर्डेड सेशन नहीं मिल पाएगा।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड ना कि आप ही लोग इंस्टॉल करो यार। मेरे पास डेटा ही नहीं बच रहा है अश्विन, इतना सब खत्म हो जा रहा है। ठीक है, यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करने के लिए तुम्हें कितना ही मिलेगा पता है?
हाँ, ये सब अनलिमिटेड है।
अनलिमिटेड है इसके पास।
मेरे पास ध्यान देखो।
कैसे कैसे?
5G मोबाइल।
हमारे गांव में 5G चलता है।
नहीं नहीं, गांव में नहीं चलता।
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है ठीक
आणि तेव्हा तेव्हा चालतंय फक्त 5G।
है। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस प्रॉब्लम? सो दिस प्रॉब्लम इज बेटर डेफिनेटली। हाँ, दिस वन दिव्या, ये नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है दिव्या। तुम्हारा नेटवर्क कभी कभी लैग करता है ना?
Yes, sir. बहुत करते हैं.
हाँ, तो इसकी वजह से ये नहीं हो रहा है। ठीक है, ऐसा नेटवर्क पे मतलब इंस्टॉल करने का कोशिश करो कि जहाँ पे जो तुम्हें लेटेंसी है ना वो मतलब स्टेबल रहे।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये हो जाना चाहिए। फिर नेटवर्क का इश्यू आता है, मतलब कभी बीच में जाता है आता है ना, इसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम आता है। देख रहे हो वो पढ़ना जो नेटवर्क सेटिंग्स, राइट?
Yes, yes, sir. अभी 2
हाँ।
बार लॉस्ट कनेक्शन हो गया था.
यस यस यस, उसकी वजह से ही होता है वो। ठीक है, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो देख लेंगे क्या होता है। बट 100% मैं कह रहा हूँ कि वो नेटवर्क इश्यू ही हो रहता है।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है,
I'll try.
ट्राई करना, 1-2 बार हो जाएगा।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो फिर बाय, हैव ए नाइस डे।
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर।
तेच म्हणलं कॉपरेट एंडिंग बंद कर दी।
Anjit, can I say this?
Yeah, you can.
अरे 3दा केलं एवढं आलं ते 3दा मी डबल एकदा कमांड टाकली ती बघ आता परत ती झालं कसं परत ते तसंच चालू दाखवतो. मी जे बदल कसली
हाँ।
हे बघ हे हेच येतं. हॅलो